Welcome back. Today I have some exciting news. I am purchasing a second rental property. It belonged to my parents. They have had it for a rental for a long time. It is right next door to the house that I grew up in. And I've been wanting this house for a long time. So I'm excited. It's small. It's just over 1,000 square feet. And the renter that was in there just moved out August 1st. This house is a special little rental house because my daughter will be renting from me. She has been living with my parents for a couple of years now. There was a little hiccup in her life. She's ready to get back out and get her life started again. So we will be doing all kinds of projects. Our goal is for this house to be like 90% thrifted and DIY. So today we're going on a little tour of the house and we'll see what it looks like now. And I will share some of our plans that I know about already, and then we'll get started on projects. After this tour, we are going to start with carpet cleaning and maybe we'll get to some painting. We have her storage unit that we need to clear out. This house has a garage, so for now we're just going to get that storage unit cleaned out and put everything in the garage so that we can stop paying those storage fees. So I'm super excited to share this journey with you. So let's go on a little field trip. There's a flower bed on either side of the door. Both are pretty overgrown with weeds, but they'll be so cute when we get some flowers planted. Let's head inside and check it out. So this is the living room. It is very long and skinny. Let me turn around and show you. It's 25 feet long and only about 12 feet wide at the widest part. This is a little coat closet, which one of the renters used it as an office. We'll be using it as a coat closet. And this is the kitchen and dining room. And we'll be getting new floor. This linoleum is really old at this point. This is the back door. It has a new fridge. This is a little skinny pantry closet that we'll be fixing up and making cute. It does have all the shelves, but they're down in the bottom for some reason. So put those back in. And maybe put some wallpaper in the back or something. Cute, cute. It's got the open shelves and beadboard on both sides of the kitchen. So that'll be fun to decorate. And then through here is the laundry, a bedroom, and the bathroom. This is one of the first areas we'll be tackling because I ordered a new washer and dryer that will be delivered soon, so we need to get this ready. This is the little bathroom. We'll be painting this vanity and new flooring in here, and probably trying to figure out something cute for that medicine cabinet. And it's got a little bit of damage here and there that we'll be needing to fix. Some chipping paint, probably from some moisture damage. There is a fan in here, so I'm not sure. We'll have to check that out. The light has rusted, so new light is in order. This one we'll probably keep. And then through here is the bedroom. And I think that Sydney's going to use this as a large closet because she has a lot of clothes, so this will be perfect. And then her bedroom will be upstairs. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's head upstairs and check it out. It has a small loft area that overlooks the main living room, and it's got these cute little ledges, which I think we're gonna try and use for plants and try and find like a library ladder to be able to water them. And this area up here she'll be using for her craft area. She does rug tufting, so this will be perfect. And then through here is going to be her bedroom. It was set up as a big walk-in closet about 10 years ago, but some of the rods have been removed, and so she wants to use it as her bedroom. Okay, we're gonna go outside into the backyard. And so out here we have a little deck. This again is my old house that I grew up in. This is the back of the garage. This is the yard. Need to do some maintenance around here. This out here is actually, this past these trees is railroad property, but my parents have maintained it, and my dad apparently is still gonna keep mowing this. And then in here, this is what we call the secret garden. So here's the house. And then there's like a little secret spot in here. Obviously my dad keeps hoses here, but this is kind of cool. So Sydney's thinking little heart-shaped stepping stones to the front door would be cute. So we got all kinds of projects we'll be doing with this house. We'll be having fun, so stay tuned. There's lots more to come.